In ambient, always-on time mode, this is the W58. It's an Apple Series 8 look-alike, I mean really closely identical looking smartwatch. You have 2 pages of controls, including Bluetooth calling, SOS capability. You can even dump water out of the speaker if it's gotten wet and filled with water. Do not disturb. You have a flashlight mode on here. You have the ability to change the different styles of layout of your app. Speaking of which, this comes complete with a whole variety of things. Your daily step count, last night's sleep time information is available, heart rate, ECG, which is really just another way of doing heart rate, not a true ECG chart. You got blood pressure, blood oxygen. All of those are measured continuously in the app and individually on the watch. Your activity that you're doing, no GPS, but you can do running and walking and hiking and those kind of things. Remote music control, remote camera, weather in your area as well. Notifications pushed from your phone. Speaking of phone, you've got definitely a really loud, the loudest I've ever heard on a watch speaker, with phone capability, dial pad, contacts, everything. Siri or Google, you can put in your voice control, activate that. Alarms, breathing in and out. You got a calculator, timer, stopwatch, on and on and on. It has NFC, and you cannot do payments per se, but you can set up cards for your different apps and exchange information with your friends. Different themes. Female cycle period is in here. You even have a thermometer capability of tracking your temperature as well. When you slide across, you get most of that same information in these cards, and you can add them to it if you want to. And on this side, you got a little quick pull out that you can hit your most commonly and recently used apps over there. You have a variety of bands. This is the metal Milanese one that just easily slaps on and magnetically hooks together. You have a bunch of different stock watch faces. You just simply twirl the knob to get to them. And up to 500 individual watch faces that you can selectively download to this watch. It's beautiful. It's really well done. It's called the W58. Check it out.